Hello everyone, this is Fishing Angler 22, and today I'm going to show you my bass fishing gear. Now here, I got a tackle box, Yum, and I got it at Walmart, and it costed about, like $10, and in here, I have some hooks, like these bass hooks right here, and also I have this rubber worm, the one that, like, you know, when you cast it and you have to reel it in, like, or you can use it for drop shotting. And here also is another rubber worm, but this is my favorite one to use for bass fishing. I catch these bass like a lot, and I use drop shot. And also here's another worm. But I put this worm, these worms right here, I put all of them in this tackle box, and this is a Gary Yamada's worms, rubber worms. They're also good worms, and I caught some bass on them also. And then here is another rubber worm, but it's like green, like right here, and on this side it's green, on this side it's like darker green. Yeah, and I have this swim bait, little swim bait, that is also good for bass fishing, and it also in the Yum tackle box, it comes with it, like you can see here. And it's like, you can also use for drop shotting. You know, usually this, here, where I am from, I use it for, in fall. I use it in the fall. Then I got another rubber one right here. You can see it's like the one that, like, you know, wiggles around, like here. And it's blue. It's blue. They also come with dark blue, and blue. And I haven't caught bass on them yet, but I usually catch them on these rubber worms, like I showed you here. This one right here is actually like really good one. It's like, see, like white and then green here. Bass loves it like this. It does. Or they also love like this one right here. Like it has those marks, like those black dots on it, and it's green. Oh yeah. And then I got this then right here I got power worms, you can see here, and these are really good worms, also good for bass fishing. I use these for bass fishing. But I got these like a couple months ago, but I didn't caught bass on them yet. But they also are very good worms to use. It's like, well, and you just need a size 1 bass hook. Like right here it says size 1 on it. Here, the offset hook. Then I got another gear right here, and these are called, these are actually interesting ones. Right here, they are called buzzbait. Yep. And it's on the top, like it doesn't go on the bottom, but it's on the top. But when you're like reel it in, it does. You see here, like the spoon, it twists around like, and you can hear the water's like doing that noise because of this twist right here. Well, the spoon. So yeah, and then I got another one. It's that one was a yellow one. This one is a black one. Now, the most bass that people catch is on the white one. White one, right here, the white buzzbait. Oops, sorry. Right here, white buzzbait. These ones are like the ones that people mostly use and mostly catch bass. So these are really good ones, and these are the most good ones to use. And then here I got these other worms, but these worms you can use for right here, like these are for drop shotting. It comes with buzz baits, these drop shots here. Well, you can also use it just regularly. You can just cast your line, like, don't have to use a weight, I think. Well, yeah. And just use a regular hook for these. And these I got at Walmart also. All these gear right here. And I think they're called American Bass Fishing Gear, something like that. But these are also really good ones. But my most favorite is this Yum tackle box, like I showed you. It's a really good one. Then I got hold on. I got these rattle trap. I got this rattle trap. I also have a second one. These are also good for bass fishing. Now they go like in the middle of the lake, not like to the bottom, but it goes in the middle. And it's also a really good one. This is really good. I caught bass on these also. Then right here, I got a popper. Popper, it's just like, you see it's fish. It's a plastic fish, like a fake one. Well, this, we have to do, it goes on the top. It's on the top water. It's a top water lure. I only used it one time, but I usually like to use like on the bottom. And same thing with this one. This is also a popper, but here you see it has this spoon, like the twister right here. I used that one also, but I haven't caught a bass yet on this. And it's also on the top. And yeah. Well, I hope you all liked my video. Please like or subscribe.